Today's video we are going to see a program in which we will take input from the user and will print all the odd number or even number till the user input, till the range from 1 to user input. For example, we have taken user input and the user has provided the input in a form of number like 12. The user input is number 12. So we will from 1 to 12 we will print all even numbers and all odd numbers. Even numbers are like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So this is the task we are going to perform in this video. So first we will take a user input. So let's assume a variable. Let's take a variable n in which we will take input from the user in the integer form. After taking the input, take a variable I and store the value 1 to it, because from 1 we will be printing all of our odd and even values till the n input. After taking this, the logic goes like this. We will use while loop I is less than or equal to n. The loop will run until I is not equal to or less than n, and inside the while there is a condition. If I modulo 2 double equal to 0, if the I divides by 2 and gives us the remainder 0, then it will be a even number. This logic is for even number. Then we will simply print the I. This is for spacing and after doing this we will simply increment the I, because if we don't increment the I, it will get into an infinite loop, because I will and always be less than n. It will not increment, so that's why we are incrementing the I. So let's try run the code. User gave us the input 10. Our I at initial is 1. We will check the condition. Is I less than or equal to n? Is 1 less than or equal to 10? Yes, it is true, it is less than 10. So we will get inside the loop and we will again check a condition. Is the I, which is 1, modulo 2 is giving us 0. Is this giving us 0? No, it is giving us 1. So there nothing will be happen, and we will go down and simply increment the I again, and now is I is equal to 2. We will again check the condition in the while loop. 2 less than or equal to 10? Yes, 2 is less than 10. Now we will get inside the while loop. After getting inside the while loop, we will check again the if condition. If is 2 modulo 2 is giving us 0? Yes, 2 modulo 2 is giving us 0. Then we will get inside the if condition, because the condition in the if gets true, so we will print the statement or execute the statement which are inside the if, and the statement which are inside the if is a print statement. It is basically printing the I. So like this we will go for I is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until 10, because our condition in the while is I is less than or equal to n, and is we will go until it is not equal to, it is equal to n, because there is an equal sign here. Also by this we can make a program for odd number. The logic for odd number goes like this. if n modulo 2 is not equal to 0, then it will be an odd number. How so? Let's see. Suppose we have there is I, not n. Suppose we have I is equal to 1 till n is equal to 10. Same example we taken before in previous even number program. So 1 modulo 2 is not equal to 0. What 1 modulo 2 gives us? It gives us 1. 1 is not equal to 0, so it is true. We will get inside and simply print our I, which is 1. So let's take again for different odd value. Let's take for 3. 3 modulo 2 is not equal to 0. True, because the modulo is 1, remainder is 1. Again we will print. Let's take an even number so we can verify this our condition. So we are taking 4. 4 modulo 2 is not equal to 0 but is equal to 0, so we will not get inside this and skip that part. So simply by this logic we will be printing only odd numbers. So let's see our program. Here we are taking the input from the user and storing in the variable n. We are taking an variable I and initializing it with the value 1, because we are printing all numbers from 1 to the n user input. And here we are taking while loop, and inside the while loop we are giving this condition: while I is less than equal to n, because we will be incrementing I till it gets to n, because inside while loop we will be incrementing I with 1 in every iteration. Now we will check for even condition. If I modulo 2 double equal to 0, if the remainder of I by dividing 2 gets to 0, then it will be a even number. Then simply we will print it. Print I with a space, and after this we will be incrementing our I, because if we will not increment our I, then it will be 1 forever and our loop will run forever and making it an infinite loop. So let's run it. Enter number. So we are taking 10. So it is printing all even numbers from 1 to 10. Let's modify it so that it can print odd numbers. Simply we are changing only double equal to not equal to. Again we are running, taking 10. So you can see that it is printing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, all odd numbers. So by this by doing a small change, we can make our program to print odd values for us.